This is how you make fresh fettuccine pasta from scratch. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. All right, so I have about 3/4 of a cup of flour, Doppio Zero flour, the finest, from Italy, Naples, Italy, Napoli. And I'm going to sift it onto this tray over here. Then what we're gonna do, create a little mound here. And in that little hole, you put an egg. Right there. And sometimes that'll happen. That means the hole is not big enough, but no big deal. Then you pull out a fork and you just slowly put it together. And there it is. That looks pretty good. Now we take some of this saran wrap and we wrap the dough for about 20 minutes and let it sit. And come back in 20 minutes. All right, so 20 minutes has passed. Here's my dough in the saran wrap. I've got my pasta machine here that I got off Amazon for just 70 bucks, product of Italy. We open this thing up, add some dough to this little collection tray here so it doesn't stick. Add some dough to the machine to avoid sticking. Starting at number 6. We take this, flatten it up a bit, run it through. The first one, we want to run it through that first setting twice. I'm going to fold this up like that, put it through again. All right. Moving on to 2, or number 5, I mean. There's number 5. Next. And the last setting here. This is going to make it the thinnest. Now you can cut this just to make it easier to work with. Right down the middle, but that's okay. No problem. And there you go. 3/4 of a cup of dough turned into this. I'm going to cut it down the middle, and then we want to run it through this hole here, which creates the fettuccine. Down the middle, right here. There you go. Now, we move this to here. Let's make the fettuccine right through there. Oh my God, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Do you see that? Beautiful, beautiful. Totally beautiful. Oh my God, you see that? There it is. I think that's good enough for one person. And there you go. It's as easy as that. Now all you have to do is boil the pasta, add your sauce, and you've got a great fettuccine pasta dish that you made from scratch, which tastes way better than dry pasta.